The following program may be graphic and disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm getting out of here, you animal!
A few moments later.
Think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, off you go like reindeer in the sky. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
Uh-oh.
More moments later. You're on fire, donkey!
No, you're really on fire!